afternoon, you guys. Just woke up, excited to get back to filming for you guys. Got a little bit planned today, a couple errands, got the gym, and yeah, currently, I got the morning eyes, and it's so bright out here. I also got my sunnies, but a couple errands to do. Gonna start doing them after we take Moose back inside, get a little bit of food in us. I know I gotta do an oil change in my car. I need a little bit more batteries for my food scale. And then, what else do we have to do? All right, we're already, gym. And then we might have a pool day. Bella's friend might come over for a little bit and hang out. She just moved here from Oregon. She's now going to school here. And yeah, so keep you guys updated with the day. Nothing too crazy going on today. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Nothing. She don't want to play. She don't want to play today. All right, you guys, over by the gym right now, getting my car changed right over there. Belle and I kind of just doing some walking around, went to the nutrition store, see what kind I needed. Just need a little quick update, ask a couple questions. But I'll be getting a bunch of new stuff here shortly. I'm gonna order a good old stack off of Bucked Up, thanks to my buddy Caden, code Carver for 10% off. Make sure to use that. But in the meantime, we're kind of just walking around, exploring, seeing what's around us. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys when we maybe go get some batteries, I think, for the scale. Finally got no more check engine, or not check engine, service light, so that is all good. Dash is looking pretty, but now we're headed home. What is up, you guys? We are here at the gym hitting some chest biceps. You're hitting chest, shoulder, triceps. Yeah. Should be a really good workout. Got some good pre in us. Shit, I did not take any salt or anything. I was supposed to take salt with my pre-workout. Next time, yeah, helps chest. But yes, gonna go hit a filthy pump. Gonna take a couple good clips in here.
Filthy fucking pump.
Filthy. But I'm excited to get some more workout clips in here. We are back from Oregon too. It's currently a week since we gotten back. The video I just posted, I think was it yesterday? I think I posted that yesterday of the travel vlog. Hope you guys, oh no, I haven't posted that yet. I finished yesterday. That will come out tomorrow, which is going to be the 6th, or no, 7th. That's gonna come out. That will be really good. Lots of good clips in there. You get to see her farm up in Washington, and kind of just all of our friends kind of just hanging out, having a good time, relax, and break from work, break from the outside world. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get to this workout. Do your thing, girl.
He's completely reckless. I think he's dangerous.
Big man, come check this fool.
Tryna be big like Biggie. 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 Tryna be big like. Tryna be bigger than Future and Drake. Bad little bitch, I'ma fuck on her face. Bitch, Drippa T and I need me a rape. TC angle, we chasing the cake. Bitch, when I die, I'ma need me a day. Run up the check and I'm tryna get paid. Fucking your mama, she asked me to stay. Me and my niggas, we not finna play. Eddie get spooky, you playing my money. Bad little bitch can't go like honey. Watch how I bust on my wrist in the sunny. We all about to eat and it's not even funny. Can't follow a trend cause I'm not a dummy. These style ain't free, but y'all need me some money. Tryna take over like Weezy and Marshall. Used to be broke, now the money come partial. Need me a big ticket, sorry I lost you. Whoa. Tryna be big like Biggie. 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 Tryna be big like. You niggas is no names. Fuck it, I come on the track and I'm spitting that propane. I switch with the flow cause the shit off the top and you niggas ain't putting out no flame. Niggas be saying they real but they fake like the old niggas wearing a road game. All of my niggas be stepping on shit and I'm turning the beat. Now a little man turn to fuck nigga and a munch. Get a bad bitch, take her out to lunch. Fuck my job, put her in a blunt. She wanna kick it, I give her the boo. Bitch, me drip, I'm chasing the loot. TTC angle, we making the moves. Bitch, I'm a hustler to go get the cake. Seeing the fuck shit, stay at the way, gang. Tryna be big like Biggie. 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 Tryna be big like.
Okay, this bitch for wild.
Poppin' my shit when I get on the track. I'm working too hard, I get 15 a check. Wait till I get me some shit I can flex. I'm saving my money cause bitch Drippa next. Niggas be broke as a joke so they hate. Young nigga working, get bands on the plate. Me and my niggas, the word we gon' take. I'm styling, bitch, move the fuck out the way. Drippa be Fiji, your bitch say she need me. Young nigga working, I make it look easy. All at the top, bitch, I'm doing them greasy. I'm chasing the chicken, you better believe me. Can't see you niggas like my name is Stevie. Niggas be hating, but look, they need me. Bitches be Drippa, I'm poppin', come see me. I only trust money cause bitches be sleazy. Foot on the gas, I can't take it off. Ho, I been working, you lost in the sauce. That pussy too deep, that bitch get it tossed. Too many losses, I need me a dub. She poppin' that pussy, she looking for love. Niggas be hating, but still showing love. Don't give a fuck, bitches be Drippa T. I already know that it's C2C ain't. Turned up with your bitch. You already know she tryna get lit. Young ass nigga, I'm tryna get rich. All of you niggas be hating is sick. Damn. Niggas be snakes. Niggas be fake, get the fuck on my face. Bad little bitch, she shaking her waist. Young ass nigga, the money I chase. Poppin' my shit when I get on the track. I'm working too hard, I get 15 a check. Wait till I get me some shit I can flex. I'm saving my money cause bitch Drippa next. Niggas be broke as a joke so they hate. Young nigga working, get bands on the plate. Me and my niggas, the word we gon' take. I'm styling, bitch, move the fuck out the way. Smoking this gas, yo bitch in the past. Smacking that ass, I'm counting the cash. Me and my niggas, we going up fast. All of you niggas that hit with a blast. It'll get spooky, you playin' my money. Bad little bitch getting go like honey. Laugh to the bank, all you niggas is dummies. About to take off cause I'm chasing money. Drip.
Okay, this bitch for wild.
Alright, you guys, as you can tell, we just got done with the gym. Bella did not work out hard enough. She's over here dancing, still got all this energy. But we're gonna head home, enjoy the drive. It's actually finally cool here once for Arizona. So, windows down all the way. No, I will not take it back. Tonight, all we got left to eat is tuna pasta, my Greek yogurt bowl, and then, of course, my Costco muffin, the usual. We might hang with a friend tonight. Maybe I'll show that, maybe I won't. Haven't decided yet. But until then, you guys, I'll catch you back at home. Doses. What is up, you guys? Headed over to our friend's house. Just got done cleaning up from our workout. We have our tuna pasta to go, so we're gonna eat that when we head over there. But I'll catch you guys in a little bit.
Favorite Bozzy song?
Where we at? Where we at?
Kayla.
Yeah, buddy. Got our food right here, our water, and I don't know what's in your bag actually. What's in your bag?
Waters.
Oh, waters. There you have it there, folks. Lots of water, lots of food.
It's okay, Zeus.